What's going on? My name is Peyton, insurance sales manager here at Paramount. Going to show you what we look for when we're looking for wind damage on a roof. These shingles potentially could have been caused by wind damage, lifted up and blown off the roof there. You can see they're completely missing. You can see the condition of that nail. It's not rusted, which means it's probably fairly recent. There's also some other things you're going to see on a roof system. Wind damage. These little cracks could be considered thermal cracking through the insurance company. So you'll have corners and edges. You can see it like here, vertical on the shingle. You can see that shingle's already popping up. So that would be what I'd consider to be a nail pop causing that shingle to unseal. It is creased and it's unsealed, but you can see how there's that lump in that shingle. You know, our responsibility is to give them an honest and open inspection.